Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to be talking about how to share your feelings. Sharing your feelings in an appropriate way is important. Let's learn 2 phrases for this. To share how something makes you feel now or how it made you feel in the past, use these phrases. That makes me blank. Or that made me blank. For example, if you come home, open the door, and you smell food, you can say, that chicken makes me hungry. If you exercised too much last night, you can say, that run made me tired. To share how someone makes you feel, use the phrase, you made me blank. For example, you made me feel bad. Or, you made me angry. Let me show you an example of how this works.
What's wrong?
This song makes me so sad.
Why?
My friend really likes this song, but we had a fight.
What did you fight about?
Well, I said something that made her really angry at me.
Well, it's okay. Sometimes friends have arguments. You should just tell her you're sorry.
You know what, Van? That's a great idea.
No problem.
Made me feel better. Now be careful. There are some words that you can't use for this. For example, you can't say, the game made me fun. Instead, say the game was fun. This might make you a little worried, but it's okay. Just keep practicing. Remember, sharing your feelings is important no matter where you're from. Thank you all for now. If this lesson was helpful, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.